What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I just want to do a talking video on the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Now, I promise that this thing will get used this year for 2025 mower season, because I know since the fact this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly because this thing just been sitting in since like last year, exactly because you can see, because I don't know if this thing's still working or not, because this thing just been sitting in storage for like a month now. You can see the last time I used it was doing the cutting some trees, dead trees down. You can see because well, because you can see how much expected this thing, but it's not that bad exactly. I mean, it's pretty much what expected in this machine exactly, because you can see how much expected this thing being used almost like quite a bit of times, because I do like this thing a lot, because you can see this thing is really tough. I mean, this thing is really tough in my opinion. I do like this thing a lot because you can see how much expected this thing is exactly. So I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 Moe season. I do hope some point will get used this thing this year. I really hope so you can see, but it will get used again this year. Because you notice just how much money expected this thing exactly, but it's not really a bad looking machine in my opinion. But overall this machine I think still looks good in my opinion. I mean there's nothing wrong with it, it's just because you can see, and even at the body you can see is definitely how much expected this thing exactly, because well I actually surprised that this thing being used almost quite a bit. I did like this got a battery indicator. I mean this is a 2022 model, so this came out like 2 years ago. Well, this one came out in 2020, and ever since you can see that this thing has been used almost quite a bit. So I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 Moe season, and I promise that this thing will get used this year. But other than that, it's a pretty nice looking chainsaw in my opinion. But you can see it's definitely how much I expected this thing is. So I hope this thing will get used this year.